फिल्म स्टार्स जब टीवी में उतरते हैं तो जर्नलिस्ट को खतरा होता है, तो हम लोग अपनी नौकरी को कहीं कहीं खतरे में समझते हैं। जर्नलिस्ट की बात चली, पत्रकार की बात चली, तो क्या होता है कि इस खबरों में रहना एक पेशा बन जाता है। आप भी खबरों में रहती हैं। अब 4 प्रकार की चीजें जो होती हैं, माध्यम जो खबरों में रहते हैं, we call it the 4 C's which make news.
Okay.
C is for cabinet, that is politics.
Cabinet, politics.
C is for cricket. C is for crime, and C is for cinema.
Oh, okay, that's good.
सिनेमा तो आपने पकड़ ली, क्रिकेट से भी आपका ताल्लुकात हो
Yes, so world challenges.
क्राइम से आप दूर रहे तो अच्छा है।
Yes.
कैबिनेट, पॉलिटिक्स।
Well, my only brush with politics, or my only knowledge about politics at all, would be the journey or the shooting of my next film called Rajniti.
Exactly.
Which is Mr. Prakash Jha's film.
Right.
His knowledge of politics is amazing, but at the same time, I would like to say that even though the film, yes, is about politics, it's really more about human emotions, to be honest. It isn't a film where we're pointing fingers or poking fingers, which there's a lot of exposés. You see films made on politics generally tend to be a lot of exposés, the dirty side of it, or maybe things which are more controversial. But I think in Rajniti it is much more human, about human emotions.
Is that the first step
towards politics? I really never say never, but I don't know. Unlikely. You never know, though.
You never know, though. All right. You talked about Rajniti. De Danadan आपकी फिल्म है, बड़ी अच्छी फिल्म, बहुत लोगों को अच्छी लगी। दनादन लोगों की टिकटें बिकी, लेकिन एक वजह से बिकी, वो आपकी जो रेन डांस की जो सीक्वेंस, जो दिखी लेकिन नहीं दिखी।
Now they've put it in the film. From last 10 days that they put it back in the film. I think they realized that a lot of people were asking that the song is not there in the film.
पानी का सीक्वेंस था, लोगों की उम्मीदों पर तो पानी भर गया उसी के चक्कर में, लेकिन अब शायद शुरुआत में आने लगेंगे धीरे-धीरे करके।
One thing is I've always been clear about in my films is that whatever is for the betterment of the film in totality, I'm all for that. It doesn't matter if it's if I feel it's my song. In the beginning, I think PNG felt it was because of the length that let's remove that song. But then they realized that okay, people are liking it, and they're looking for it when they go to the cinema. So let's put it back. So I think it works both ways. I think the director knows best.
Chemistry आपने पढ़ी थी?
Chemistry.
Chemistry.
In school? No.
चलिए, एक बड़ा आपको उदाहरण कहते हैं कि सैफ अली खान और करीना बनते हैं सैफीना।
Oh.
सलमान खान और कटरीना बन सकते हैं सलमीना?
No, I don't think so. No, I would never be comfortable with something like that. No.
सलमान साहब ने हाल में बताया है कि वो शादी करने वाले हैं, आपको कुछ पता है इसके बारे में?
No. I think he's closer to you than to me. I think he likes you more.
यानी कि?
He said this to you?
नहीं, खबर है।
अच्छा, in the news, no. I didn't see this. No, I didn't see it, unfortunately. But in terms of you saying these names, I think I'm an individual, and I think he's a very recognized and celebrated individual. And I think when you give people their respect by calling them by their full individual names, I think it's preferred.
घर ढूंढ रही हैं आपने यहाँ मुंबई में सुना?
Well, I have a nice house, and I really like it, but it is on the main road.
हाल में आपने शिफ्ट किया है?
No, I've been here for the last 4.5 years, but it's on a main road, and ideally my mom comes and everything. I want to shift to somewhere which is a little more quiet. I'm not getting the time to look, but I hope I find a nice place.
खान की हमने बातचीत, इतने सारे खान हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री में, आमिर खान, शाहरुख खान, सैफ अली खान, सलमान खान, एक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री खानदान है।
Almost.
2 खान से आपने काम नहीं किया जो बहुत बड़े स्तंभ हैं।
Yes.
आमिर साहब, शाहरुख खान साहब, क्यों?
Because they've never asked me. And yes, they've never asked me. I've never been offered a film with Amir Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. So unfortunately I'm not a director or a producer. I cannot cast
अब एक
myself
फिल्म
with
तो
him.
थी जहाँ पे बातचीत हुई थी शाहरुख खान साहब से आपकी
No.
casting की?
Till date, there's never been any. See, in my opinion, what I consider an offer is when the director or producer sits in front of me and says, "This is a film. Would you like to be a part of it?" That has never happened in the case of Shah Rukh Khan or Amir Khan, and both of them, as you said, are extremely talented, celebrated superstars.
खबर ये थी कि शाहरुख खान साहब के संग आपकी एक फिल्म आनी थी, लेकिन उस पर सलमान साहब नाराज हुए और ऐसा कुछ हादसा हुआ, कुछ ऐसी बात है? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ।
No, nothing that I know of.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
No.
आमिर साहब के साथ एक बड़ी अच्छी आपकी किताब आई है कॉफी टेबल।
Yes.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे उस पर?
It was a really fun experience, actually. He's a perfectionist, and he loves what he does, and I think that's the thing which I love about him the most. Beyond his talent, I think your dedication to and your passion to your work, that is something which really speaks for you. And trust me, you see the difference. You can see a film where somebody is just going along with the mechanics of it, and when somebody is really doing a film with passion. In some ways, I think, yes, talent, of course, is very important and necessary and required. But in some ways, I think passion is equally important to succeed in the film industry.
So how passionate are you about your work?
I'm 1,000% passionate. I'm the happiest. I love my brands. I love doing ad films for sure. I love doing shows. But the place that I'm really happy is on a film set. You know, there's always that little place that this is what I do and this is what I'm doing to, because this is part of my job. This is part of my world. But the real place where I feel a sense of belonging and I feel that contentment is on a film set. And if there's ever like a few weeks break or a month break between films,
Right.
I'm always very restless is the word to get back onto a good film set with working on a good film.